Many BMW models now feature an auto start-stop function that saves fuel and reduces emissions. To better understand this feature, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. Auto start-stop is automatically engaged each time the engine is turned on. While driving, this feature switches off the engine when the vehicle comes to a complete stop, for example at a traffic light. Please note that for the auto start-stop function to work, the driver's seatbelt must be buckled and the driver's door must be closed. When the engine shuts itself off, the tachometer needle will drop into the labeled Ready position. Beneath the Ready label, there's also an additional Off label. This is where the needle will rest when the engine is fully turned off by the driver prior to exiting the vehicle. Auto start-stop can be manually disengaged by the driver using the small button positioned above or adjacent to the main ignition start-stop button. Pressing it will illuminate an LED light on the button, indicating that auto start-stop is currently deactivated. There are certain conditions when auto start-stop will not turn off the engine, or will turn the engine back on for comfort or safety reasons. A full list of these can be found in your owner's manual.